Mergers and acquisitions are often exciting and pivotal events in a company's history, no matter which side of the equation your company is on. But mergers and acquisitions can also be complicated, time-consuming, and expensive. Whether it is a share exchange, asset purchase, share purchase, or merger, it is important to ensure that business transactions are done correctly while minimizing risk. Compiling a team of professional advisors from the beginning of the transaction process will help ensure that your company mitigates risk. Hiring outside counsel that focuses on M&A to manage the entire process so it goes as smoothly and as efficiently as possible. Experienced M&A counsel can help your company navigate through the intricacies of negotiations and common pitfalls that can delay or jeopardize the transaction. Dependent upon your industry, firms may need to consider outside experts who focus on financial industry regulatory considerations, employment and labor law, intellectual property matters, other business protections involving restrictive covenants such as non-competes and non-solicitation, and contractual commitments specific to your firm. The attorneys at Jacko Law Group provide the full range of legal support and services required to successfully complete mergers and acquisitions and other transactions. The corporate attorneys and JLG professional support staff help to simplify the process, avoid unnecessary delays, and monitor excessive costs for clients seeking to merge, acquire, sell, or restructure equity ownership or control. For more information on building a legal team for your M&A transaction, contact us at 619-298-2880 or email info@jackolg.com.